It's the Boat Geeks with Darren and Darren.
We're the Boat Geeks, whatever floats your boat.
We brought our new V-Berth mattresses back to the boat and down the forward staircase to Axel's cabin. They weigh about 3 times as much as the old cushions did. Beyond that, the look and feel of these mattresses speak to the quality materials and craftsmanship that went into them. With just a bit of finagling, I was able to get each mattress in place, where they fit perfectly. Axel! It's in! Now all that's left is to make the bed and try it out. Okay, time to wake up the teenager and see how the mattress worked. Coming in, honey. Hey, sweetie. Hey. How was the mattress?
Good.
All right. You want to keep sleeping?
Yeah.
All right, sweetie. Thank you. That's all you need to do. All right. Well, we kind of expected that. I mean, this is a custom mattress from Slumber Ease Mattress Factory. Replaced the old 4-inch cushion, so she's very happy, I can tell. Maybe we need one for the aft cabin now. I'll have to talk to Nick.
We're the